Okay. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve the first missing positive integers. I actually I solved before this problem, but when I see the acceptance rate, then I got shocked. It's only 36%. Cause there is. Let me share my screen, then you will understand how much difficult. There is 2 million plus submission, but 800K plus. Uh, there is 800K plus accepted. Okay, here you can see the acceptance rate is 36.6%. And the problem is the find. You have to find the missing positive number. There is three conditions: smallest, missing, and positive integers. Okay. Now there is I okay. I'm not going to share my code, and let me copy this. Or don't need to copy. Very easy question. If you think in a normal way, then you will understand the problem. Okay. Let me write. Okay. Let me tell you my first approach first. I will take a normal and empty array, and I will push the positive integers to that array. Understand? And after pushing all positive numbers into that, after pushing all positive integers into that array, I will sort that array and I will remove the duplicate from that array. Okay, now you will understand. You can solve this question easily. There is we have to do just three things. First, uh, mm, push that positive integers to new array, and mm, not new array. Push that positive integers into empty array, and for second sort that array. Third, uh, okay. Second, remove duplicate from that array, then sort that array. Okay, okay. So, uh, uh, now if after sorting, sorry, after sorting, you can do one thing. If array of I not is equal to I, the I plus 1, then you will return that number. Otherwise, you will the length, uh, return length plus 1. Okay, let me write the pseudocode, then you will understand. Okay, first take that empty. If I use late, then it will not count as pseudocode. And let answer is equal to empty array. Okay, now I talk that uh, use the for loop and mm, I to 0 to n. N means array dot length. Okay, and push that empty array. Sorry, push that positive integer to that. Okay, now what I have to check array dot I greater than 0. Okay, that's it. If this is true, then push that answer dot push array dot I. That's all. Now you have to check. No, sorry. Now you have to check that. Now you have to remove duplicate from this array. Okay, how yeah, using inbuilt function. We can remove duplicate from this array. Let sorry, answer not let, answer is equal to or the new set answer. Okay, this will remove the duplicates from that array and now sort that array. That's simple, but I don't know why the acceptance rate is uh, below 50%. Now, answer dot answer dot sort a comma b, not which I don't have to close that. Okay, now the last part you have to check. You have to check and okay, you can write here one condition also. If uh, an answer dot length length is equal to 0, then return 1. Then return 1. That means in our input array there is no positive integers. That's why answer dot length is equal to 0, and we have to return 1 cause we here you can see uh, no, there is nothing. We have to return 1 cause uh, they need the first the smallest missing positive integers. Okay. If we return 0, that is not positive integers. Okay, we have to start from 1. Um, 0 is neither positive or neither negative, right? Okay, let's go. And now, oh, why you were here? Now you have to check. Sorry, you don't have to check anything. And now let I is equal to 1, and while I less than sorry less than answer dot length. Now you have to check if if answer dot I not is equal to if answer dot I not is equal to I, then return I. Otherwise return mm, otherwise return the uh, in the last after closing the while loop you have to return the add sorry answer dot length plus 1 cause that means why 1. No, you have to return answer dot length. Okay. Hmm. That means we're in this while loop we are starting I from 1 and no, we have to check 0 not is equal to a plus 1. What plus 1? Okay. Now if you can see here. Let me take uh, array here from here. Okay, input array is equal to, okay, 3 4 minus 1 1. That means the output of this one is 2. Output will be 2. Okay. After the this loop, the answer loop will be, answer is, after this loop. We didn't implement this one answer dot. We didn't uh, remove duplicate from answer and um, yet sort that answer yet. Okay. After this for loop, the array will be 3, sorry, 3 comma 4 comma 1, right? Cause only minus 1 is less than 0, and that will not uh, push to answer array. Now we have to remove duplicate from this one. This array doesn't have any duplicate elements, and now sort that array. After sorting that array, the answer will be 1 3 4. Okay. Now we have to check while, sorry, while I is equal to 0, and here we are checking I, array of I. Okay. Array of I not is equal to array of, sorry, I plus 1. That means I is equal to 0, and our we are checking answer of I, answer of 0, that means 1, not is equal to I plus 1, that means 1. But this is false. That's why we are returning nothing here. Okay. Again, for while loop. Now we are checking, sorry, now we are checking I, mm, I is equal to 1, and we are checking I, sorry, we are checking I is array of sorry, answer of I, that means 3, and I answer, sorry, I plus 1, that means 2. Is it true? No, it is false. That means we're using not is equal to, that means it is true here. Okay, that's why we are returning I. Sorry, we have to return I plus 1, cause I plus, if I is 1, yes, we have to return I plus 1, cause when in the second time we are checking with I plus 1. If I we are checking with I, then we have to return I, but we are checking with sorry, no, 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 no. Yes, 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 it's right. We are checking with I plus 1. That's why we are returning I plus 1. If we are checking with I, then we will return I. But if we are checking with I, that it will always fall. Understand? That's why I am using this one. Okay. Now, no, no. Now, in this point, let me take one. Now, let me check an array is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, sorry, 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, that means what is the output for this one? Okay, here if we are saying here return the smallest missing positive integers. We have to check missing also. Okay. Here, what is the missing smallest missing positive number? That is 6, right? Yes. That means if after here, sorry, after this for loop, the answer will be same. Okay, answer will be same because here every sorry every integer is positive. Okay, now now if you are checking here is nothing is a duplicate number. Okay, sort is already done by me. And, and now if we are checking this condition, this while loop condition, but because this is not a, every for every integer this is false. Okay, if I is equal to 0, then answer of I is equal to 1 and I plus 1, this is true. Okay, if I is equal to 4, then answer of I is equal to 5 and the I plus 1 is equal to also 5. Okay, that's why we are returning in the end of the while loop, after while loop, we are returning answer dot length. That means what is the length of this answer array? The length of this array is 5. Okay, answer dot length plus 1. Okay, okay. I hope you understand this problem, but there is one trick. You must implement an algorithm that runs 0, 1. What is the time complexity of they want they want the time complexity of 4n. But what is the time complexity of this one? Oh, the time complexity of this one is O log n log n. Okay, here we have an extra log n. We have to delete this one. Now, I'm not going to share that approach in this video, but I will make one video more for that approach because I already saw in that approach also. There is nothing, no, I'm not going to share that approach in this video. Otherwise, video will be longer. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.